yours, Lily.
I wish I knew. I'm sorry, Mr. Stone. She wasn't at the station when I went back for her.
It's okay, Patch. We'll find her. Don't worry.
Just hold on, cuz.
I am brave. I am brave. Thomas says I'm brave, so I'm brave. Oh, it's not easy being brave. Shiver my pistons! They splatter and dodge. Oh, they found the buffers. Oh, now what's going to happen?
Howdy, partner. Excuse me coming through. Pardon me.
Oh, that's just nothing. That nothing was something.
Yeah, these must be the buffers Diesel's looking for.
Are we supposed to go through them?
Oh, not we, you.
Oh, not me, you.
This is a job for the boss. Whoa. We'll tell him tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's good.
Oh, I'd better hurry back and warn Thomas.
I was doing my best to keep Lily cheerful. I knew she was worried about being late for her grandpa.
Now, this next card trick I learned in old Bombay from a monarch butterfly. You know, when it came to card tricks, she really knew how to wing it.
Mr. Conductor, I was supposed to be back by sunset.
You know, Lily, perhaps your grandpa can guess where you are.
He can?
Maybe. Because I think he's been here himself long ago. And if he can help, I do wish he'd hurry. I haven't told Junior this, but soon he'll grow as weak as I am.
So you really do love Junior, don't you?
Yes, even though he makes me mad sometimes, but that's what families are for. Someone to be there for you in the bad times as well as the good. Isn't that right?
Yes. Yes, it is. Junior said there used to be an engine that traveled on the Magic Railroad. And if only we could find that, we could still head back to Shining Time.
Oh, that engine disappeared. Never to be seen or heard from again.
I have to tell you something, Mr. C. I've heard a train whistle and it sounded like it was coming from the mountain.
Mountain. I just remembered another part of the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. But we need more information, Lily. And I know that your grandpa could help if he would just believe that he could.
Lady?
Well, lady, what are we to do? It all seemed so much easier when Tasha and I were children. How did you find me here?
I found the entrance to your workshop ages ago. But I would never tell anybody.
See that switch on the wall? Flip it on.
I guess there was something mysterious about this mountain.
Yeah. All mountains have their secrets, Patch. Shouldn't surprise a kid like you.
Could I help you, Mr. Stone?
Sure. You can help me dust her off. This engine's name is Lady.
Why is she locked up?
She isn't. She's safe from harm.
Long ago, I made a mistake as Lady's caretaker. An evil diesel found Lady and threatened to destroy her. He chased her, used up all her coal. He made her go too fast, and then he crashed her. And I brought her here. I tried my best to fix her up, but I've never been able to make up for the mistake I made. And I've never been able to bring her to life, to make her steam. Patch, she's as precious as gold.
She can whistle. I've heard her.
Yeah, so have I. It's because she's magic.
This must be the map of her magic railroad. But the railroad's energy is fading away. I sensed it when we were out riding. Lily and I were traveling on the ground above it.
The railroad needs Lady, but I don't know her special secret. And I need to know it now more than ever.
Because of Lily?
Yes, because of Lily.